to my YouTube channel. So आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी
EVS oral practice test.
EVS oral practice test.
Okay. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to your YouTube channel. So today I am asking some question about the EVS oral practice. So are you ready, ABHIKHYA?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Tell me 3 words name.
Sparrow.
Very good.
Owl.
Very nice.
Peacock. Chiku chiku chiku.
Very good. Tell me 3 insect. Any 3 insect name.
Cockroach.
Very good. Speak loud.
Snack.
Insect I said.
Butterfly.
Very good.
तितली रानी इतने सुंदर पंखा सिलाई हो या कहीं तुम सजाती हो या कई लोग से आई हो फूल तुम्हें भी अच्छे लगते फूल हमें भी भाते हैं और तुमको कैसे लगते जो फूल तोड़ कर ले जाते वो हमको नहीं शोभाते.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, tell me 3 insect.
Cockroach.
Very good. And
Butterfly
and
ladybirds.
Ladybirds and tell me
And
spider.
spider and honeybee also.
Wow, very good. Tell me any 3 wild animal. Wild animal. Which they live in a zoo. Wild
Hippopotamus.
live in a forest.
Tiger.
Very good.
Kangaroo.
Very good.
Lion.
Very good. That's enough. Tell me 3 domestic animal.
A dog.
Very good.
Wow, wow.
And
And
buffalo and cow.
buffalo and cow also.
Okay.
पर ये तो जू में नहीं रहता.
Okay. Tell me and listen. Tell me 3 action word. Come on.
Walking,
Very nice.
sitting, jumping and dancing.
Wow, so pretty.
And 4 बताई.
Okay, I am asking 5 opposite. Do you know opposite word?
Yes.
Okay, opposite of dirty. Opposite of up.
Down.
Opposite of open.
Close.
Opposite of day.
Night.
Liver. Opposite of sister.
Brother.
Opposite of mother.
Father.
Opposite of girl.
Boy.
Very nice. Okay, tell me any 3 colors.
Yellow, red, pink, skin, brown, black, orange,
Okay,
red.
that's enough. Okay, tell me 3
Yellow.
vegetables name.
And white.
Tell me 3 vegetables name. Tell me fast.
Pumpkin.
Very good.
You see pepper has fallen into the pumpkin.
I sure.
You saw?
Yes.
Basically,
Yes.
pumpkin,
Very good.
brinjal,
Very nice.
carrot.
Wow. So pretty.
Lettuce also.
Wow. Tell me 3 fruits name. Tell me 3 fruits. Come on. Apple.
Apple, mango, banana, and pineapple.
And pineapple. Very nice. Okay. Tell me parts of body. Any 5. Come on. Tell me parts of body. Any 5. Don't make unnecessary noise, please. Eyes. Come on.
Eyes,
Very good.
import, IE, import.
But I am not asking input. I am asking parts of body. Why are you telling me wrong? You don't know? Why are you doing gimmick? You don't know?